first thing is everybody is ambitious, but women need to be very strategically ambitious. Fill in their professional strengths where they feel that they are doing a phenomenal job. And many times women leaders, even if they don't have one little skill, they will hold themselves back. And I encourage women leaders to look at their phenomenal growth, professional capabilities and deliveries that they're doing and keep adding to become absolutely the best professional that they can. The second one would be to be very clear about what is their career trajectory. Where do they want to go? What are the jobs that they love? And if they love in those jobs, do they have the right mentors? Do they have the right support systems? Create that in a way that they are able to completely be there in the job when they need to, so that they can be on top of their performance. The third one is, there is this thing about glass ceiling and women can't negotiate. All these are things that they should just close an eye. They should look at themselves and say, okay, if I'm applying for this job or this position, then what is it that I need to be clear about? What can I ask? Never be afraid to just go and take those risks and stretch yourself, because you want to trust yourself that I am an equally capable professional just like any other counterpart that I have. And this is a self-confidence. This is ingrained in you and nobody can take that away from you because you have worked to achieve it.